Let's talk about the latest launched Xiaomi smartphone Xiaomi 13T. Now let's talk about the specification of this smartphone. Firstly, talk about the display of this smartphone. This phone features with AMOLED display with 6.67-inch Quad HD punch hole display, with resolution of 1220 by 2712 pixels, and with 20:9 aspect ratio, with approximately 87.5% screen-to-body ratio, with approximately 446 ppi pixel density, and with 144 Hz refresh rate, and with Corning Gorilla Glass 5 protection. And now talk about the camera of this smartphone. The smartphone with triple camera setup on the rear that includes 50 megapixel Leica main wide-angle camera with aperture 1.9, along with 12 megapixel Leica ultra wide-angle camera with aperture 2.2, and with 50 megapixel Leica telephoto camera with aperture 1.9. Rear camera also features Leica lens, HDR, LED flash, panorama, and video recording up to 4K at 30 fps. For selfies it has 20 megapixel wide-angle camera, features HDR, and video recording 1080p at 30 fps. For the software, the handset turns on Android 13 operating system based on exclusive optimized version of MIUI 14 screen on top of the device. Under the hood, the phone CPU is octa-core, powered by MediaTek Dimensity 8200 Ultra chipset, paired with Mali G610MC6 GPU. In terms of storage, the phone plugs with 12GB of LPDDR5 RAM and 256GB of UFS 3.1 onboard storage, and no microSD card slot. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 162.2 by 75.7 by 8.5 mm. And it weighs around 197 grams, and the color options black, meadow green, alpine blue colors too see in this smartphone, and the device comes backed by a massive 5000 mAh battery, with 67-watt fast charging support. Additionally, the smartphone also features in-screen fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication with AI face unlock. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, dual-point Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.4, GPS L1 plus L5, with stereo speakers and a USB Type-C charging port, NFC, and IP68 dust and splash resistant. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of the smartphone. The Xiaomi 13T has been priced in Pakistan for 12GB plus 256GB storage variant at 169,999 Pakistani rupees. Conclusion: so what do you guys think of this Xiaomi 13T smartphone? Let us know in the comment section below and subscribe for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.